lift up on that tab, lift up on that tab, and then slide it out like that. Then go ahead and press down on these. Hey guys, Philando from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be doing a removal of a headlight off a 2012 to 2014 Toyota Camry. This is an SE model, but it works in any other model. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. And if you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. Alright guys, so let's get started. But first, you're going to have to go ahead and go to this link above to learn how to take off the front bumper off with this vehicle, because you do need to take it off to get to the bolts on the side. You don't have to completely take it off, but it's preferred that you do take it off because you won't be able to get to that bolt on the headlight. Let's get started. Alright, so if you guys look right there, there's a bolt. There's a bolt right there near the fender, on top of the fender, and then there's a bolt right here. So to take that off, you're going to need a 10mm. Let's see if I can show you guys that. Not focusing correctly, but it's right there. Let's see if I can zoom in. There we go, 10mm right there, and a socket wrench. Alright, so let's get started on the top part. Take those bolts off, and there's actually another one over there. Let me just double check. So actually, if you guys look closely right here, there's another bolt right there, so you guys have to take that off also. That's where an extension comes in. Take that off right there. So you actually do have to take the whole bumper off. There's no way you're gonna get to that bolt without taking off the front bumper. Or maybe you can if you took off the grille only. But since the front bumper is already off, it's so much easier to go ahead and get to these bolts. And it's not that hard to take off the front bumper either. So now once that's off, go ahead and go to this side right here. Go ahead and take off this bolt. So there's 4 bolts you have to take off. So remember these screws right here go on the top side, and then this one right here. So I'm sorry. So these screws right here go on the top part. 1, 2, 3, and then this bolt right here goes on the side right here. So lift up right here. You gotta lift up right here too. Lift up on that tab, lift up on that tab, and then slide it out like that. Then go ahead and press down on these. You have 3 of them. Yeah. Actually 4 of them. Alright, so put back the headlights. You always gotta put the wiring harness back on first, like that. Once that's on, go ahead and slide it in. So slide it in first, the fender, like that. Then it should clip on the top portion right here. It clips on right there, slides in there, and it should all be lined up. And just remember these screw ones with the pointy top on them. Let's see if I can get to that. It's kind of hard, but these pointy ones right here go on top. Last one's gonna be right there on the side of the headlight. Right here. Remember this bolt right here with the flatter. If I can get that zoomed in. The flatter top to it or bottom to it. So it's gonna go right there. Alright guys, so that's how you remove and install the headlight off of a 2012-2014 Toyota Camry. If you guys like this video, remember to smash that like button so we can go ahead and produce more great content like this for you guys. And if you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted body parts, and also your touch-up auto stores now.